Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss a very important concept through this question. The question is, the molecules like acetamide, that is CH3CONH2, can be protonated on either their oxygen or nitrogen atoms. When treated with a strong acid like HCl, which site is more readily protonated and why? Okay, so if you see the structure of acetamide, it is CH3CO NH2. This is acetamide where the nitrogen has one lone pair and the oxygen has got two lone pair. Now, when it will be treated with HCl, HCl is an acid. So this molecule will behave like a base and will do acid-base reaction. Okay. Now, which atom will get protonated first and more chances to get protonation? Is it nitrogen or oxygen? This simply depends on the basic strength. If you see which is more basic. Now, if we have some idea about the resonance, we can say nitrogen lone pair is delocalized. And if I want to draw the next resonating structure, it will be like CH3CO minus and NH2 plus. Now in this molecule, nitrogen has no any electron pair with that. It has no any electron pair. So we can say since the lone pair of nitrogen is delocalized, it is taking part in resonance, hence the basic strength of this nitrogen atom will be less. Because base is a lone pair donor, electron pair donor, but nitrogen lone pair is not with nitrogen. It is taking part, it has been utilized in this resonance. But what about the oxygen? Oxygen already has got two lone pair and it is taking extra electron pair also by the resonance. So we can say oxygen has got three lone pair. So here the electron density is very high and hence we can say oxygen will be more basic than that nitrogen atom. So in the molecule acetamide, oxygen atom is more basic than nitrogen atom simply because the lone pair of nitrogen is not with nitrogen. It is taking part in resonance. Okay. So if we write the reaction, that is between the acetamide, that is CH3CONH2 and HCl, the reaction will be simple. HCl will give H plus and then H plus will be taken away by this oxygen by providing the lone pair of this, and the product is most likely to be this one. So the reason is simple. The oxygen is more basic because lone pair is localized. This is localized, but nitrogen lone pair is delocalized. It is not with nitrogen, it is taking part in resonance. Hence we can say oxygen atom is more basic, and that's why when we treat with HCl, oxygen atom is giving lone pair and reacting with that. So oxygen atom is acting like more basic, and this is the product we are getting. Thank you.